Hey guys, Ryan here over at Willow Ridge Farm. We have a slight problem. This downspout seems to, for whatever reason, be backed up. Now with all this vegetation, we're not quite sure what needs to get cut out, but I'm guessing there's a clog somewhere in the drain that comes out here. So we're gonna cut this all back, see what's going on, and try and fix it today. Well, as Candace was cutting down all the weeds here, found herself a friend. Hey there, little guy. What's going on? Say hi to the barn rat pack. We're gonna name him Terrence. Terrence the turtle. Okay, so after we cut all this out, I realized what the problem is. Looking at this downspout feeds into a pipe, but the pipe is only 2 inches wide. The problem is all of the water that comes from this side of the roof feeds into this downspout, which means it's a lot of water for one 2-inch pipe. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out, we're gonna clear it out of our way, dig it out, and we're gonna put a new 4-inch pipe all the way through to pop out the side of the rock here.
As you can see, I'm letting him do all the hard work.
Thanks, babe. Oh.
Put your back into it. Do it.
So helpful.
Do it. Put your back into it.
All right, just like I thought, 2-inch pipe. However, this weed tree stump has got to go. Got to run to the shop, get the saws out. Yeah, that drain was not enough to handle all that rain. All right, now that we got the pipe out of the way, we got it dug out, the root's gone, we're gonna take these flex drain attachments, they're 4-inch, so this end will attach right to the gutter here, and then it'll connect to this, which we're gonna end up feeding through and popping out the brick here. So I'm gonna have to take some of these bricks out, relay the pipe, and we'll be good to go, and hopefully this will solve that drainage problem. So, pipes all fit. Obviously, we got some extra. We'll cut that off and we're gonna put a drain cap on it. But for now, I'm gonna backfill in the hole here, get all this dirt we pulled out, give it to some support, make sure that it's angled so it doesn't flow back and cause a problem that we're having, and we should be good to go. All right, everything is hooked up, buried in, got a nice sloping angle to it, and then we've got the big black tube. Y'all thought I was gonna go there, didn't ya? No, we're a family show. Maybe, we'll see. Anyways, we are gonna leave this at this length to keep the water going away from the house until I can go ahead and get a custom-made cap put so that we can put it in the wall there.
Hey everyone, if you like what you saw, please like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, absolutely. And make sure to check out that affiliate link for the pipe in the description below. Using the Amazon affiliate links really help us out by creating revenue, small little revenue stream, so we can keep doing videos like these around the farm. Till next time, see ya folks.